Latest digital trends. Google search testing mentioned in search snippet. Google launches watermarks for AI-generated images. Apple plans to stop providing customer support on Twitter. Google is now blurring sexually explicit images by default. WhatsApp is developing a history-sharing feature for group chats. X, Twitter, lifts ban on paid political ads in a bid to increase revenue. WhatsApp is developing a history-sharing feature for group chats. Google introduces money-saving feature to book cheaper flights. WordPress releases free course on building and monetizing membership sites. Google Chrome's reading mode could soon get a colorful splash of material U. ChatGPT Enterprise now available from OpenAI. Elon Musk's Twitter rebranding leads to 4% decrease in engagement, report. YouTube now allows creators to remove community guideline strikes. WhatsApp's new Mac app offers 8% video calls. Microsoft is discontinuing Visual Studio for Mac after major overhaul. For more digital trend, visit kiramvoleti.com.